Hey! Good morning, you can sit down.
We must learn a lesson.
And by the way, where is that stubborn girl? Afusa, where is she? She get carry over now. Can you imagine? She got 3 for continuing assessment. She got 7 for practical and 13 for our exam. And she scored she scored like 40. Hey!
Risaki!
Who has you? Eh? Can you imagine? Olodo that is tarnishing Olodo. What do you know? Balikis.
Ma,
Why did Afusa not come to the class?
I haven't set my eyes on her since the resumption.
Hey, ja. That gentle girl.
Jesus!
I am personally going to miss her so much in the class. And see how she used to keep the class so lively.
She what?
And she's very intelligent, punctual in class. IQ 100%, loyal and comfort. Oh my God, it shouldn't have been her. I so much love her. I appreciate her. No, it shouldn't have been her. How?
Say now our new class be this.
Yes.
Afusa.
Ma,
I thought your colleague said you have carryover.
hey me carry over. For where? Hey, me that I have 5E, I have 2D, and I have 1C in Yoruba language. So why will I carry something? Hey, we don't know about no.
And you are in my front, asking me that stupid question. Are you okay?
We must learn a lesson.
Will you go and sit down before I slap you?
Sorry. See what you are doing.
See, make all of una here. Oh, I am not interested in all the rubbish you guys are doing in the former class. Oh, this is a new class, so you need to abide with the rules and regulations in this class if you want things to work for us. Okay?
There's no 2 ways about it.
If any one of you try any abnormal, red biro ni straight. Kò sí pé wọ́n ṣẹ̀ṣẹ̀ sọ is red biro. Gbàgàdà ni gbim. And bet it with me. I swear down. Many of you will carry my course. No, there is no how you guys will do it. You will still carry it. Your uniform is not well ironed. Minus 10% in it. I don't have time. And you even over iron it. More than your lecturer. That's minus 20 marks.
She what?
Because you guys cannot dress past me. Ko possible. And if you always feel like you can talk, like you want to sake elenu gboro, you can talk to your lecturer anyhow. Carry over ni. No matter what you do. Even if your sensor come down, you still carry this course. So there's no how you guys will not carry it with the way you guys are stressing me. Carry over ma pọ̀ fún yín gan.
God have mercy upon us.
So can somebody come and clean the board for me? Let's start. Ọjọ́ ń lọ. I hope I'm not talking to deaf and dumb students. So, you people want me to point fingers before you could answer me, Abi? Allah Bangbo, I'm telling you, ni, frankly, you guys, all of you will carry my course. Bunch of fools. See you guys next time.
Are you playing? What type of playing? This is playing.
Bye-bye.
When you know that you are leaving already, why do you now stress us to go and clean the board?
Hey, let's see if I care.
You are now saying, see you guys next time. Bye-bye. See till I see you.
Oh no!
Madira.